Ayongwaso ana yengwa mrashebe fiemu na majority ya wama shebe fiemu NDC abanyukuo no empenifo ene wona wa mrashebe fia dwena won mwanya sempenifo abanabo won mudin se won behwe asoye ye no ahodo biso wonye won tumu no kebe ya sa dwempo no wonsesa won madwen Adom TV edeba
Chief Whip awo mrashibedwem Adom Kasee no ano Frank Anodom pre ede adesede ato National Democratic Congress NDC fo enim se womo enhwe na asoafo a omampani apaom a womo aba appointment committee ni so a yatoto womo ano no womo moa na asoafo yi entimi enkohye omodwuma ase na mfa impuntuo emre oman abra wokasa no de adesede ato NDC National Chairman enim esedun ketia General Secretary Fifi Kwete ene dom kitwa no mrashibedwafo a womo wo mrashibedwem se womo no munwene hu biem na saafo ya omampani apa omuyi omuntimi nkwahye omodwuma ase.
But I'm just saying that they should just let's go, support the nominees, let's pass them. Primarily, all these nominees, the Honorable Brian, the Honorable Katie Hammond, Honorable Obi Amwa, the Honorable Stephen Amwa, they are all our colleagues. They are all our colleagues.
Na dom ketwa no so a womo wo mrashebedwem no womo ni enye ho deputy majority leader afenyo marking ni nsem bi ode abetudwa se womo de womo eye mfidie eye robot bi ana NDC amanyoko no echinchimom enu nti na womo tu sa na mo no se womo de womo nye omampani Nana Akuffo-Addo asoafo a wapa womo no entumu no.
Let me put it on record that first of all, the members of parliament were very excited about that decision because we were in clear agreement with that decision by our party, because it was in keeping faith with the people of Ghana and their call for the reduction of government and for cutting government expenditure. Unfortunately, in that statement, the Honorable Akuffo-Addo implied that the fact that the new leadership working with the minority we're standing firm with the people of Ghana meant that we did not have our thinking caps on. First of all, we will not descend in the gutters with Honorable Akuffo-Addo. The reason is because we have a reputation to protect. I'll ask Honorable Akuffo-Addo to look at the minority leadership. These are people who have gone through vetting, serve as deputy ministers and ministers. I pray he can go through that process.